2 years ago, sinimulan namin itong business namin na cafe with the intention to open it for franchise. Pero that time, ang goal lang talaga namin is magkaroon ng at least 4 branches in a month. Pero on our first month, we got 6 branches. So dito pinakita ni Lord na kaya pala nalampasan yung goal mo. Alam mo, because of that, nilawakan ko yung faith ko. Binuksan ko yung isip ko sa possibilities. Isinantabi ko yung sarili kong belief na hanggang dito lang ito. Naging open ako sa galaw ni Lord sa business namin. On our second month, we had 20 plus franchise branches. And on the third month, we got 33 plus. At nagtuloy-tuloy yung ganong growth. In less than 6 months, we were able to generate 100 plus branches. Wow. So sinishare ko to just to prove my point that if you believe, if you have faith in God, ito yung mag-aalaw sa atin to experience beyond normal results. So I would like to encourage every small business owner na maaabot nitong video na to, na don't look at your business as a small business. Dapat tingnan mo yung business mo with faith. Kung gusto natin makaranas ng extraordinary result, yung beyond normal, we need to activate our faith. Okay lang din naman kung yung isip mo is by order or yung gusto mo smooth lang lahat. Pero you know, as a believer, dapat meron din tayong mindset that is beyond normal. Pag binalikan natin yung Bible, no, lahat ng mga man of God doon na nakaranas ng mga miracles, one thing na common sa kanila, hindi sila normal mag-isip. Nung si Isaac ay dinala ni Abraham sa Mount Moriah para i-offer kay Lord, hindi yun normal. Nung si David na isang shepherd boy, lalabanan niya si Goliath, nakitang-kita yung mismatch in terms of size and experience, hindi rin yung normal. Nung si Peter nakalakad sa tubig, that is supernatural. So even in our businesses, pwede rin tayo maka-experience ng supernatural because we have a supernatural God. So the next time na titingnan natin yung mga negosyo natin, huwag natin siyang tingnan na mananatiling small business lang. Dapat tingnan natin ito with the potential to grow exponentially, with the potential to be a multi-million business or even up to the level of becoming a multi-billion corporation. Of course, may mga factors lang din like kailangan scalable yung business mo and so on and so forth. Pero what I'm saying is, have faith in God for your business. Have faith na kaya ni Lord i-multiply yung result mo by 10 times, 50 times, or even 100-fold. At syempre, gagawin lang din natin yung part natin. Lahat naman ng ginawa ni Lord ng miracles, meron muna silang ginawa. So just do your best, do your part, and leave God the rest. Dream big, aim high. Think beyond normal. Believe the impossible because you have a miracle working God. According to Hebrews 11, faith is the assurance of things hoped for and the conviction of things yet unseen. So kahit di mo pa nakikita, paniwalaan mo lang. Kasi meron kang katuwang. At yun ay si Lord, na may gawa ng lahat ng bagay, pinakamakapangyarihan sa lahat, at walang imposible sa Kanya. If you found value on this, kindly follow or subscribe. And don't forget to grab a free copy of my book called Business by Faith. God bless and more blessings to you. To God be all the glory.